What's up YouTube, welcome to my channel Complete Tech Review and welcome to another walk around of the Benelli Imperiale 400. So this is I guess one of the sweet classic from the age-old bike manufacturer, which is Benelli. So the first noticeable thing, or which is most not talked about, is the engine, and this one is a twin spark engine. In most of the reviews, if you see, people don't stress on this part because I'm not sure what is the reason, but this comes with a twin spark engine and this is a long stroke motor. So this one is making roughly around 21 bhp and the torque is around 31 Nm at 6000 rpm. So the other plus point is that this comes with a 5-speed gearbox. The front forks are telescopic and this is close to 37 mm. The rear is a 5-step adjustable nitrox suspension. It comes with dual channel ABS. The front disc capacity is somewhere between 300 mm, I believe so. Yeah. So as I was saying, the tires are not tubeless, these are tube tires. But the tire size is, the rear is 130 by 80, which is 18-inch, and then the front is an MRF zapper. In fact, both are MRF zappers, and this one is 100 by 90 and 19-inch tires. So the bike is very comfortable. The fuel tank capacity is close to 12 liters, and the seat is also a plush seat. And the rear passenger also gets a very nice, comfortable seat. Talking about the instrumentation console.
This one is a hazard parking.
Yes. So
4 indicators hazard parking.
Yes, it comes with a hazard lamp.
This one is a high beam and low beam. This for indication.
Okay.
This one is a neutral.
Neutral.
This one is an ABS symbol.
ABS. Okay. Yeah.
Having any double engine ABS.
Yes.
It will indicate you.
Okay. And this is
an engine.
Engine. Okay.
Engine light.
So basically
when you start, you can see this symbol. After within a few seconds, it will be off.
And then we have a battery indicator.
Symbol. This one is a fuel indicator.
Okay. So it starts blinking when the fuel is low at half liter.
Maybe 3 liters.
3 liters. Okay.
This one is in a fuel indication.
Acha, we have a digital fuel indication as well.
Fuel indication. Okay. This one is in a gearing sensor.
Okay, we have a gear indicator also. Very nice. So
this one is
here is a
meter.
Yes.
You have 3 types of meter.
Yes.
Trip A, Trip B, odometer.
Odometer. And then we also have a time.
So
very
you can convert into the miles and kilometers in this meter.
Oh, very nice. Very nice. Good. So the interesting thing about Benelli's is that they come with this very sleek looking key which folds, and then it opens like any other, like a car key. So that also is interesting. This also comes with adjustable levers, so you can set it as per your preference. The build quality is completely made up of metal, so very less parts which are of fiber.
The red keys, you
Yes.
get only for the parking light.
Yes.
After starting the vehicle, you can use the full light.
Full light. Okay. The front headlamp is a halogen unit. In fact, every bulb in this bike is all halogen. But
of this vehicle, only you may get only the parking light.
The parking light. Okay.
And one more thing, you are having a side stand sensor for this vehicle.
Yes. So as mentioned, we also have a side stand indicator. The bike starts, but once when you put in gear and move forward, it doesn't move. It turns off the ignition. So that also is there. Yes. Yep. So that's how the indicator works. And then talking about the exhaust note. So awesome. So it has a very bassy and a thrunty exhaust note. So now let's check out some close-up shots